Nestled in the heart of the Pacific Northwest, Oregon captivates with its diverse and breathtaking landscapes. Towering peaks offer majestic backdrops for outdoor adventures year-round. Oregon's diverse terrain provides fertile ground for ranchers to cultivate thriving livestock operations, while vineyards produce wines of exceptional quality and character, nestled within verdant valleys and rolling hillsides. Our Oregon office has an established network of investors and landowners across the United States, providing clients with access to the most valuable properties and unparalleled industry knowledge of these lands' investment value. Along the Sprague River, the Deming Ranch in south central Oregon offers over 6,500 acres, over 1,000 of which are irrigated meadows, pastures, and hay fields. The ranch is rich in beauty and just right for cattlemen. Upstream Timber and Cattle Ranch in southwest Oregon offers over 1,200 acres of excellent timber growing ground. The ranch provides an excellent habitat for trophy-class elk and deer. If you are looking for a beautiful ranch with solitude, then the historic Pitcher Ranch may be just the one for you. An almost 26,000 square foot custom home sits on more than 2,900 acres and overlooks the mountains and meadows. In northern Oregon lies Dream Big Vista Vineyard, a 160-acre property in one of Oregon's most sought-after upcoming wine regions. Fulfill your dream of owning a premier vineyard. The Rockin' River Ranch is a wild and scenic riverfront property with 3/4 of a mile of river frontage that perfectly balances seclusion and accessibility. Check out all of our properties for sale at fayranches.com and contact us today to help find your Oregon property you can enjoy for years. Fay Ranches. Invest and enjoy.